Oh, I'm looking at my lunch right now. Emily Richards, home economist and cookbook author, joins us. Oh, these are for Dad. These are for Dad.
Well, I'm willing to share.
Some ideas, some ideas. And you've got great, like kebabs are a great way to serve barbecue because you're really cutting down on the cost of meat.
You are, totally. And you can make it ahead, which is the big one, right?
Okay.
So you can marinate, especially if you're using kind of richer cuts like beef and pork that have the ability to sit in the fridge, so you can get them ready a couple days ahead and then just put them on the skewers. And that can be almost a party if you want.
Right, and just enjoy the time then with Dad.
Exactly, and the great thing is because everything's cut in smaller pieces, it doesn't take as long on the grill. So, you know, you don't have to do a large roast, or, you know, if you're doing something on the rotisserie, it's going to take a little bit longer, where these are going to be nice and quick.
Okay, so what you have here is beef and shrimp?
Beef and shrimp. So shrimp is great because it's got this kind of last minute, you know, 4 or 5 minutes and the shrimp is done. And these have very simple flavor. It's kind of a Southwest feel, so a little chipotle chili powder, little cumin, and you don't have to marinate these because they just absorb the flavor so quickly, which is great. You just brush on that marinade and then pop them on the grill.
Okay, and then how are you serving?
So we're gonna make it a little special. We're gonna do a little bit of a salad here. So I have a cilantro lime dressing on the greens, tomato, and then I'm gonna get you to add some Monterey Jack and some corn kernels and tortilla chips. So this is just really fun because
dumping these?
Just dump it in and then toss it all together. No formality here. It doesn't have to look pretty, and it just
it's not going to look
good.
pretty. Okay, and I'm putting. Okay.
Yeah, you're putting some tortilla chips in there, and then just toss it.
There,
and
I'm just going to leave it like that.
That's perfect. And then what we're going to do is add that shrimp to it, so that it has kind of that full meal quality to it. But it can be an appetizer, or you know what? If everyone eats the shrimp first, they can have the salad as a side dish.
That's okay. But you've also got, you have pork as well.
Yes, and pork, I'm using pork tenderloin today, and this is great because it has lots of spices on it. So think kind of Moroccan flavors, Turkish flavors. And I'm going to serve this up as an appetizer. So I'm using kind of slightly smaller bamboo skewers.
And really important to soak them.
Yes, definitely soak them.
How long do you soak them for?
At least 30 minutes I find works really, really well. And then I've cut the pork pieces just a little bit smaller so that they're easy to eat. And you'll notice that this is kind of all meat. This is a nice little skewer that has all meat on it. So, you know, you don't really need, with the amount of flavor here, you don't need to have a dip or anything like that. You can just grab one of these and go and just enjoy it.
And how many, so say you have like 6 people coming over, how many kebabs should you have?
Well, I would say that you want at least 2 larger ones or 4 smaller ones for everybody. So in this case, these are a little bit smaller, so I'd make sure that there's at least 4. Now, if you're looking at it and going, well, I could eat 6 of those, well, then maybe you're going to have a little extra.
That's all right.
But at least a few pounds per person is, you know, based on what you're serving, if it's dinner time, whether it's lunchtime, or maybe it's going to be the appetizer portion of, you know, lots of salads and things like that that you're sharing.
You also have a veggie option.
Yes, I brought a veggie option, and this one, as much as it looks like cheese and
I thought it was
delicious,
cheese.
It's actually polenta. So it's cold polenta that I've grilled with some peppers, tomatoes, and then drizzled it with a little bit of balsamic glaze and a little bit of blue cheese, just to bring out the flavor a little bit more, which is really nice. And, you know, this could be a side dish. It could be, you know, for the vegetarian guests if you'd like. So there's lots of options for everybody.
It's very fancy.
It is fancy. Well, you know, you got people that at home, Dad might be special. You
Dad's going to
know.
be hovering around the barbecue anyways, probably. We've got a minute left, but you've got some great gift ideas as well, barbecue.
Because if you do have a dad in your life that loves grilling, you know, there's always lots of fun things, aprons and signs. We have all of these for, you know, my husband at home because he does love grilling. But let's look at the things that matter. So tongs are really important, and a thermometer, because you want to make sure everyone stays healthy and cook the kebabs well. And then these are one of my favorite things. These are flat metal skewers. So when you put the meat on, it doesn't roll around.
Oh, and doesn't end up in the grill.
Exactly. So you don't lose anything. And then they just wash up really nicely. And, you know, it's great to kind of reuse, and you don't have to soak these because they are metal.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, where can we get the recipes?
EmilyRichardsCooks.com.
Oh, I love that Emily Richards Cooks for us. Thanks so much. We'll get that up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.